start. You recording? Walk on, my people. It's your boy. Grow with Rejoice. Grow your mindset. My brothers don't eat sushi. You get me?
Yeah.
Do you eat sushi, by the way?
No, I don't.
Sushi is so disgusting. Yeah.
I don't eat.
My question for you is, how long should a talking stage be? Is a woman less of a woman if she doesn't know how to cook? And I'm here with the magnificent.
Who that go, okay?
Hey, walk on, my people. It's your boy, G.R.O.W with Rejoice, and I'm here with the one and only
Pendulu.
Say that again.
Pendulu is a Zulu name, it stands for answer.
Amazing, man, amazing. Melissa, you said your name already. I just want to let the people know. Melissa, and she's from Paul.
Right.
Yeah.
Shout out.
And I'm here with the beautiful Likona. I'm here with the amazing Oyama and the handsome.
Sister Makang, gang, check it out.
And I'm here with
Ranzo Makakul. Ranzo.
Ranzo. Rejoice. And I'm here with the beautiful
Akona Lutuli.
Akona. It's nice to meet you. Also known as Kanye, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Where you from, by the way, Kanye?
I'm from Khayelitsha, but I reside in Cape Sweets residence.
My guy, where you from, by the way?
Joburg.
Joburg. And how is it, the city in Cape Town? How is it?
No, man, I can't complain, bro.
Yeah.
You see, I travel a lot. I've been in Durban, I've been in Northwest.
Uh-huh.
So there's really nothing to say. It's just the city, bro.
Okay, nice. You travel a lot.
That's it.
Nice.
Yeah, oh, that's my little sister's name.
Okay. So where you from, by the way?
I'm from Langa.
Langa. Okay. Where you guys from, by the way? Where you from?
Casa,
Okay, Kalicha. And
Yeah,
you?
me too. Khayelitsha.
Hey, Kalicha gang. Okay. Where you from?
Pumalanga.
Mpumalanga. Where you from?
KZN.
KZN. And how's Cape Town?
It's been nice so far.
My first question is, how long should a talking stage be?
I think it depends on like whether you know the guy or not. If it's someone you know, I think.
Okay, let's say you don't know him from a bar of soap.
Okay.
You're getting to know him, and
I think 2 months.
2 months.
2 to 3 months.
And this is you looking for something serious.
Yeah, I'm always looking for something serious. I'm not a fun girl. So 2 to 3 months is.
Okay. How long should a talking stage last?
If I were to lie, since like I would say 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah, but personally,
2 days. 1 week.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
that's
also
fine.
fun, eh?
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Well, it depends, bro. It depends on like where you and that girl's head's at currently, you see. You have to like get to an understanding before.
Okay, so the talking stages are different when you're just looking to smash and you want something serious.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
So let's say for something serious, how long should a talking stage be?
Long enough to like get to know each other to
Yeah.
deeper level. So I'll say like 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
And if you're just looking to smash,
1 week.
1 week, you get me? Yeah. I agree with you. I agree with you.
I think the talking stage should be like 2 days.
What? Well,
I'm gonna say why, right?
Elaborate, yeah,
Okay.
please.
So let's say I'm walking in the mall. Ne?
Okay.
I trust that I look good enough for you to approach me.
Yeah.
And then you like what you see, right?
Yes.
So then you go in, get my number, shop, that's the
Yeah.
thing, and then we chat, right?
Yeah.
And you already like me,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So after I give my number, you're supposed to initiate that we start dating. You'll get to know me as we date, right?
Okay.
So I'm not saying marry me tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because essentially, if you get, I'm gonna say it lasts like 6 months or like 3 months.
Yeah.
What is that initially for?
Yeah.
So to get to know me, which is dating is like getting to know me as well. It's the same concept.
True.
It's just now you're prolonging the thing.
Yeah.
So you don't want to give me a title, basically. Yeah, but
speak so well.
I don't know views. I don't like talking stages. I feel like it's a waste of time.
She said it's a waste of time. So you think there shouldn't be a talking stage? We should just jump straight into it.
Right.
Yeah, because you know what you want and I know what I want.
I so agree with you. I agree with you 100%. I think we should just throw the talking stage out the window.
That's right.
Because that's useless. I don't want to talk about what your favorite color is and all that. That's boring stuff, right?
Yeah.
How long should a talking stage be?
2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
You're the second girl today that said 2 days. And why do you think 2 days?
I don't know either.
Do you think the talking stage is a waste of time? Like 3 months is too much?
It's not really the wasting time, but like about 2 days is too much.
So wait. So under the circumstances, are you looking for something serious or just smash?
Serious.
Serious.
Yeah.
And 2 days is enough to get to know someone. Yeah. What do you think, my guy?
Talking stage with a girl. Me.
Yeah.
Hours. The fuck.
Hours.
Yeah.
So listen a day.
Right. If I can finesse her.
Okay. I guess what you're looking for, huh? Wait, hours. Are you looking for something serious or just
Both.
smash? Both.
I'm cool.
I don't think you can get both, bro. You need to choose one.
Yeah. Seriously, like on a serious note.
Yeah.
If I can finesse a girl within hours, shit, I'm gone.
Okay.
I think it should last maybe about 3 months.
3 months. Why so long?
Just to be sure if.
Just to be sure.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get to know each other for 3 months and then decide if you want to get married or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that sometimes maybe even if after a talking stage people do break up,
Yeah,
it doesn't
true.
determine that if a guy loves you or not. I know that it doesn't determine that a guy loves you or not.
And why do women like prolong the talking stage?
Women don't.
So it's us. We the problem. You know, I agree with you. We should just take this talking stage and throw it out the window because it's a waste of time.
It's a waste of time. I feel like culture now, like modern dating culture, has made us think that putting like you have to deserve to give you the title,
Yeah.
which is nonsensical now. Because
Yeah.
what is the reason for talking if we're not dating? Like we can get to know each other while we're dating. I'm not
True.
saying like yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Give me a title.
We can get to know each other while we're dating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I agree
so
with
like,
you.
why do you want me to be a talking stage? But like, what are we talking about?
Right.
So what's happening is now we're talking for like 3 months.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find the other guy. There's
We need
gonna
to
come.
fuck.
There's gonna come a guy that's gonna talk to me as well.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
like,
yeah.
I'm not committed enough. So you don't want to give me a title, but you want to get the benefits of talking to me. What are you talking about? For 3 months? Come on.
That's the best answer I've got
I know.
ever.
Bro.
2 days, and then she even elaborated. But 2 days was the quickest. The quickest was 1 week.
What?
Now it's 2 days.
No, it's 2 days, man. Well,
And this is for something serious, not just to smash him.
Yeah. I feel like also it depends on the person, right?
It
You
depends.
I can't say to you because you like me and be like, okay, let's take this seriously. It depends on you. Do you
Yeah.
want it to be serious?
Yeah.
I know what I want. Do you know what you want as
Yeah.
well? And talking for like 6 months doesn't guarantee we're gonna be like serious.
True.
You understand? So
I agree with you. My next question is. Yeah, thank you for that. My next question is a man a real man if he doesn't know how to change a tire?
Attire.
Yeah, a tire.
car tire.
Yeah.
Hey, my guy. Hey. Hi, guys. In the ancient times, there were no cars. And they were real man.
Okay.
Bye, guy.
Okay, thank you. Is a man less of a man if he doesn't know how to change a tire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, why can't you change a tire?
can you please repeat what you were saying?
Can a man be considered a real man if he doesn't know how to change a tire?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we don't need to change.
why, please. Don't.
Can you change a tire? You can.
Yeah.
If I can't change a tire and my tire was flat, would you change it for me?
Yeah.
You would. What do you think?
Nah, I don't think so. No. If you can't change a tire, you can't change a tire. Some people didn't have cars at their house, bro.
No, but listen. You're a man now. You're driving a car. You have a lady.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That scenario.
And that's
It's your car. The tire's flat. Who's gonna change the tire, you or your lady?
Me. Nah, if I have a car, it's me.
Okay.
Sorry about that, guys. Jeez.
But what if you don't know how to change a tire
If I don't know,
in that scenario?
yeah, I'll feel like 10% less of a man. Yeah.
Why?
Just 10% because it's something that I should know and I don't. You know, I feel
There you
bad.
go.
I don't think a man is defined by changing a tire or not.
True.
I think maybe as long as he knows how to provide and he respects you and takes care of you, and
That's good.
yeah.
That's a good answer. I like that.
Change the tire.
Yeah, change the tire. You need to know how to change a tire, right? Yeah, I agree with you.
Why are we changing tires?
Just because men, we drive cars, we change tires.
I
What
don't
if a man doesn't know how to change a tire? Is he considered not a real man?
No. Because then I can change the tire.
So you will change the
I can
tire.
change the tire. I've done
Okay,
it twice.
but isn't that?
thank
But that's. Isn't it like okay? So you willing to do something like take on a masculine role?
But like, my thing is right. Are we gonna categorize men by their actions? Right. If you're gonna do that, then I can say I'm a man. If that's your
Yeah.
concept, then I'm a man.
Okay.
But
She's a
I'm actually a woman. do you get
Yes,
it?
yes.
Biologically, I'm a woman, but
Yeah, biologically,
I'm a
yeah.
man because you then saying that if he doesn't do A, B, and C, then he can't be considered a man. Understand?
True.
Also, we have to get the concept. Are we trying to define a man biologically or by social norms?
social norms. I think the answer is social norms.
Biologically.
Biologically, then he's a man.
Ah, thanks. Okay.
If he has a PP,
Okay.
he's a man.
Yeah.
Huh? Have a what?
Don't.
Pina colada.
Eggplant, an eggplant, bro.
Eggplant
Trying to
is...
be PG-13.
Nah,
Yeah?
it's not. Is a man a real man if he doesn't know how to change a tire? Nah.
So you need to know how to change a tire as a
Like you
man.
have to know how to change a tire. Like you have to know those specific parts on the car.
Yeah.
As a man, like.
Cause that's our thing.
Yeah,
you get
that's
me?
our thing. Nah. You
Yeah.
see.
So yes,
As it is a woman's thing to know like her way around the kitchen. You have to know you have
that's
to know
my next question, bro. You get me? That's you know the vibes. You know what I'm onto. So
Yeah.
my next question is a woman a real woman if she doesn't know how to cook?
Nah. I'll never go for a woman who doesn't know how to cook. That's what I can tell you.
Yeah.
But like it depends on like what you want in a woman.
Yeah.
You see, I'm looking for a cook.
Yeah.
I like food.
Yeah.
So I need someone who's gonna like cook for me. So yeah.
No, I get you.
If
Bro.
she doesn't know how to cook, nah man.
You can't bag her.
Nah man.
Yeah, you can't put a ring on that finger
Like,
if she doesn't know how to cook.
Mm.
Is a woman less of a woman if she doesn't know how to cook?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. You agree? And you know how to cook.
That's your kitty as a woman, yeah.
It's a very controversial one. Is a woman considered a real woman if she doesn't know how to cook?
How do I?
How to cook?
Not really. But like, 5 out of 10, 4 out of 10.
Okay.
Why can you cook?
Wait, I have a question. Can you cook?
Me?
Yeah.
I will.
What? Yes.
I will.
Yes.
I can cook,
You
right?
can cook.
10 out of
Okay.
10.
Okay, good. Do you think majority of women can cook? No.
Like 5% can cook,
5%.
5% cannot.
Okay, out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
What?
Is a woman considered a real woman if she can't cook?
Yeah. My sisters can't cook, but still, they still my sisters, bro. What the fuck? Yeah.
Wait, why can't your sisters cook?
Because they spoiled like that.
Is your mom doing all the cooking?
Yeah, of course. My mom's great.
But I think if a woman really loves her man and she wants to submit, she would cook for a man, right? Right? No.
Tell me no.
No.
Don't ask me that, please.
I don't think so.
Do you think all women should learn how to cook?
I think it should be about you if you want to know or you do not want to know how to cook. Yeah, it shouldn't be by force that you must cook for a man.
Okay.
If you don't know how to cook, you will hire a maid or something. I don't know.
But don't you think if a woman like really likes a man, she would submit and cook for her man?
There are a lot of ways to show love besides cooking.
That's very true.
What did you say?
There's a lot of ways to show love besides cooking. That's a good one.
Oh, flip.
Yeah.
That's a very good answer.
Thank you. We got it. We got it.
I don't think there's any woman that can't cook.
Okay.
I just think that
I've made a few.
nah, I just think there are bad cooks and good cooks,
Okay.
but all women can cook,
Okay.
even all men.
Yeah, men can cook too. But who's better, men or women at cooking?
Obviously, women.
But the greatest chef is a man.
Who's that?
Gordon Ramsay.
Oh, Gordon Ramsay. Hi.
Not necessarily. I feel like it depends, right? That's what I said. Is it biologically, social norms?
Yeah.
Because social norms, it's gonna also come into: are you a traditionalist or are you a modernist? Because modern men don't mind a woman doesn't cook, but traditional men want women that can cook. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And it's also like, are you a human if you can't cook? Can I ask you that question?
That's a crazy one.
Because you're
That's
a
a crazy
man,
one, yeah.
and you have to eat as well. So are you gonna wait around for a woman to cook so she can eat?
No, well, listen, I think a man, it doesn't matter if a man can cook. A man can also cook. But I think the majority of the cooking should be done by women.
Why is that?
Because traditional norms. I'm leaning back to traditional norms.
But would that then be fair? If you said that statement, would it be fair if I say most of the financial should be from
100% yes.
Then
I'll take that full
I
responsibility.
feel like if we're on that jargon, then I can agree with you.
Okay.
Because you can't say,
Yeah.
as a woman, I expect these things. Because if you're gonna go traditionally,
I can't expect anything from you if I'm not providing or like doing my role.
If you're gonna be
Exactly.
traditional,
Yeah.
be traditional like fully.
Yes,
Go
of course.
deep.
Of
Because
course.
back in the day, the woman did not work. She did not sweat. She did not sweat. She was a housewife,
Yes.
and the man was earning.
Yes.
So if you're gonna be like that, be like that,
Yeah.
like 100%. Don't
Yeah,
like-
100%. Don't go 50-50.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
Like, don't expect something and you're not giving anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Melissa. Socials.
Socials, it's Melissa Baliso _ Melissa Baliso _
Big man, what's your social media? Wrap this up.
OG Savage Beast on IG. I'm not on TikTok. I'm not on anything. Just IG.
Okay.
OG _Savage _Beast.
Okay, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Safe one.
Safe shit.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. What's your Instagram for the people?
Yara.Lekho. LEEKHO.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
See you.
Oh yeah, man, family.
And yours?
Oh yeah, Sito my guy. Please check out my boy on Instagram, under96. Check it out, please. I'm not yet rich, by the way.
Yeah, my people, like and subscribe. Peace.
Please, though.
So, do you have social media?
Yeah.
What's your social media name?
Facebook Ranzo P Magagula. RANZOPMAGAGULA.
Thank you, Ranzo. High five. Put it there. Thank you.
I don't have social media.
Ah, you're the sixth girl
Oh my God.
that doesn't have social media
No, I
that I
really
met
don't.
today.
I deleted everything.
Okay, but you'll follow, yeah?
WhatsApp
Camera.
kuphela ngizokufollowisha njani WhatsApp. Hayi ngeke, don't you have a WhatsApp
So I
channel?
can share your link. I don't have a WhatsApp channel.
Yeah.
I have
I should have a WhatsApp channel. I should